Hi everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Friday, January 24th, 2014. Alright people, before I even get started, I just want to say that I'm fighting a really bad cold virus and I'm completely doped up with over-the-counter remedies. So I'm going to try to get through this the best that I can. Okay, here we go. So yesterday and today, we have witnessed a stock market in free fall. This is no surprise at all to any of you that follow this blog. Check my site. See that little head over here? Click on it. It'll take you right to my website. You can see all of last week I did video after video speaking about how this was likely going to happen. And specifically, I went over why. From a technical standpoint, I felt this was going to happen in a video that was titled The Specter of a Stock Market Correction Rises. Here's why. Again, check my channel. Click on this head. Okay, so the real question is this. Is this going to continue? Let's go over some market action just from right now. The market is still open. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 260 points. Bonds are in rally mode. The dollar is just about flat. Metals are higher. Very interesting dynamic. I talk about this all the time. So let's try to put a perspective on this. Personally, I do not believe that this free fall is going to last much longer. In fact, I did a tweet. I tweeted this yesterday. I posted it on my site. Could we possibly see a little more downside action? Absolutely, we could. But I think that we're going to see this market more than likely rebound most of these losses, if not all of them, over the next couple of weeks. How I have personally taken advantage of this is very simple. A couple of days ago, I closed a few of my long positions. I locked in a profit. I did keep 2 on my site, traderschoice.net. Please check the link right down here. Yesterday, I did take up 2 more long positions in an attempt to try to take advantage of this pullback here. And I think that I might actually add some more. It depends on where this develops into early next week. People, there's no reason at all for you to get panicky about this. There's a lot of panic going on here in the market. These are complete amateurs. Understand that. If you get emotional about this stuff, you will make mistakes that are going to cost you dearly. You have to really put this into a perspective. It's so important from every angle, and I'm talking about investing in precious metals as well. I know a lot of you have gotten upset over the fact that it's been going down for a while now. You should be embracing this. I've gone over this so many times. It's just incredible. This will turn around. Just speaking about the metals real quick, I did a video a couple of weeks ago talking about a fundamental bottom with regard to these metals, and I think that is being verified in what I'm seeing, at least in the technical side. So you should still be buying these metals, the physical asset, across the board. And what I mean by across the board is I mean silver #1, gold, platinum, and palladium, without a doubt. More specifically, you know, I'm the biggest silver fan probably on the earth. I think it's the most undervalued asset in history. So you should be adding to your physical position there as well. Again, so let's just go over this real quick. Major sell-off here in the markets. This is very, very healthy, I think, for those of us looking to take advantage of this on the long side. We know a few things, people, and it's very simple. The Federal Reserve is not going to allow any kind of a massive correction here. They will buy assets. We know that already. They're buying mortgage-backed securities. Why not buy equities as well to boost this up? They're going to do it. They're going to do things that we can't even imagine because it's part of the illusion. It's part of the illusion of an economic recovery, and they will not allow this to go on here. So with that in mind, we should be embracing this pullback here and taking advantage of this. Use this pullback, people, I think at this point, to be getting long, believe it or not. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, please check my site, traderschoice.net. There's a link right down here. and I may be adding to those positions that I already have on the long end. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but that's how I trade people. When everyone is really, really bullish, I want to be bearish. When everyone is really, really bearish, like, no, I want to be bullish. That's the way to make this game work for you. You don't follow the crowd, people. And I've gone over this as well. If you follow the crowd, well, you will lose. The overall mentality in the crowd is wrong 99% of the time. That's what I've learned through life experiences and through trading for over 20 years. This is what you need to understand, people. It's just so important here. So, like I said, I'm expecting this market to turn around next week. At one point, we could still see a little more downside here. It's possible. But again, I am still bullish here, and I am more bullish because of this pullback, which I had said was more than likely going to happen. I outlined this specifically. People, please check my channel there, and you can understand where I was coming up with all those ideas. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, people. Like I said, I'm feeling kind of lousy, so I'm going to go get some rest and have some soup or something. I hope all of you have a super great weekend. It is Friday. That means I will not be doing a video until Monday. Please, if you think this video is important, share it. Give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And we'll talk about this on Monday, and we'll see what comes up. That's it. Have a great weekend.